You said never let me go. 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 You said
Going to Camp Aleixo in Cavinti Laguna is quite easy. You just have to take the SLEX route from Manila, and that would take around 4 to 5 hours. Now mind you that the internet provider in the area is quite poor, especially when you're just 1 hour away, so make sure you have your landmarks ready when you're going to travel. Camp Aleixo management offers cooking services, but in our case, we decided that we want to cook our own food so that we have a wider selection. There is a small kitchenette that you can use but with limited utensils, so mind you that you have to bring your own utensils if you think you're going to cook or make something really special. Do not worry if you forgot some ingredients. There's a small store that you can buy some ingredients that you would need in Camp Aleixo. There's also a videoke that you can use for your team's entertainment while drinking and having some good time. Though be mindful, campers, that you are only allowed to have your good time up to 10 o'clock in the evening, as it has a curfew time within the island. You may consider to rent the kayaks and enjoy some time within the lake. Nakakapagod din pala mag-kayak. But it's worth it. Minsan mo lang magawa na bagay sa life, especially during the pandemic. Limited lang yung mga activities mo, so this is a very good chance to relax, do something na different. And this place is very peaceful, very peaceful indeed. So guys, I would highly recommend this if you're looking something na naturey ang feeling, at you know, yung chill lang, hindi yung tipong you're going somewhere na doing some modern things na nagagawa mo rin naman sa city. So this is something like a new environment for you, good for the health, especially for the mental health. So I would recommend you highly check out this place. Camp Aleixo. Guys, before you decide to travel, I would recommend you visit their Facebook page and have some time to discuss and chat with the management for you to know more about the place. So, hope you visit Camp Aleixo. Until then, see you again next time in my next vlog. Ciao!